Hi, I'm Anya, and you might already know me from Magical Ultimate Unicorn, which is my other YouTube channel on my Instagram. But this is a channel where we just sit down, have fun, and yap. And also, this is a low maintenance, low quality video, low editing, chill channel where we just sit and yap. So today, we are talking about one of the strangest phenomena out there, which is known as quantum tunneling. So, physics tells us that if an object like a ball doesn't have enough energy to get over a barrier, it'll bounce back. No exceptions. That's Newton's world, predictable and rigid. But let's dive deep into the quantum realm, where particles like electrons and protons don't follow the same rules. In the quantum world, particles don't just behave like small balls, they also behave like waves. This is the foundation of what we call the wave particle duality. The wave, like nature of particles, means their positions and energy are spread out, creating something like a probability wave. Particle encounters a barrier in the quantum world. Its wave doesn't just stop, a part of it actually leaks through the barrier. And even though classical physics says that this shouldn't happen, there's still a small chance, thanks to the probability of the wave, that the particle will appear on the other side. Sorry, I just realized how absolutely whack my hair looked, and I was looking here when I was talking the whole time because I was like looking at myself on the screen. But yeah, um, okay, let's return to this bottle. In the classical, normal world, if I don't have enough energy to break the bottle or push the cap off, I stay trapped inside. But in the quantum world, there's a chance, a bit like a tiny chance, that I could appear outside the bottle without breaking it. That's quantum tunneling. One of the most famous examples of quantum tunneling in action is radioactive decay. Inside an unstable atom, particles like protons and neutrons are trapped in the nucleus by a strong nuclear force. Think of it as a massive energy barrier. Yet sometimes a particle uh, like an alpha particle tunnels like through the barrier, escaping the nucleus. I'm sorry, the lighting is pretty bad here, but I'll try a better place next time. But anyways, this channel is not about glamour, it's about yapping. So to truly understand quantum tunneling, you need to get closer to the mathematics behind it. So I'm personally not a maths person myself, but there is maths everywhere. So there is just maths. So um I can't remember the name of the person. Like I really can't pronounce his name. I think it's like Schwartz. I actually can't pronounce the name properly because I really can't. It's like a German name, and I talk German, but like I still can't just pronounce the name. But like it's like Schor with the two dots. I don't know why. That's my German teacher would be really sad. But like anyway, so yeah, there was this scientist, and he had this equation. So this equation describes how the quantum state of a system evolves over time. Like here, the wave function of the particle is the mass of the particle and the potential energy of the position. Like it's like there was this whole theory on the cat in the box theory. So basically, there was this I can't really remember if it was like a theory or if he really did this. I don't think he really did this because it was like I don't really remember. I I really don't remember what was this. So a cat was placed inside a sealed box with like a radioactive element or something, and there was a 50% chance that it would kill the cat, and there was a 50% chance that it won't kill the cat. So until and unless you open the box, the atom, like the radioactive atom, which was supposed to kill the cat, even the cat, like speaking of cat as a whole, there is like 50% chance that the cat is alive, and there's a 50% chance that the cat is not alive. So until you open the box, there exists two states where the cat is like simultaneously dead and alive at the same time. So like until you don't see it, it's still alive or it is still dead. So it's like, that was his theory. Now this also has like a really big equation that I really, really don't know, because like maths and equations are not my things, but it's all about like wave functions and particles and energy. So yeah, another really, really, really cool fact which I found about quantum tunneling is like nuclear fusion, like the process that powers the sun. Like without it, like we won't get like light and heat, and just there would be no life on Earth without this. Like the process, this is the process that the sun uses to like it uses like intense heat and pressure at the sun's core, and like the protons, like they don't always have enough energy to overcome their natural repulsion. So like so quantum tunneling actually allows them to fuse like together. That's called nuclear fusion, and like that's what helps us to get life and light and energy on Earth. So that's really fascinating. I'm sorry, I'm like fumbling a little bit. Like, I'm sorry for that. Like, but like, this is like a very casual chance. So, like, I don't really care. But like, yeah. There's also a lot about like photoning of like, I think ions only, or like neutrons. I don't really remember, but that was the reason Einstein got his Nobel Prize. Like, that's the reason he got his Nobel Prize for this thing, which is a whole different topic. And I think I'll have to like remember that little. No, I really can't remember it properly. I kind of try to do research before I make these videos, because it's mostly my knowledge combined with like fact things which are out there. So it's like my knowledge, like like curiosity, knowledge plus like facts. So that's what this channel is about. So yeah, I guess that is it for this video, and that's basically the semi idea of what quantum tunneling is. So for a recap, if there is an object, so if there's an object which is like which you can't, you know, go through, like which is like which doesn't allow you to pass through it, if there's a barrier, there's always a slight probability that you can go through it, like without, there's a slight chance, like that's basically quantum tunneling. Like that what that's what enables life on Earth. And there are so many more things related to this. So let me know if you want more videos like this, and even if you don't want more videos like this, I will make more videos like these. So please subscribe. Bye bye.